In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in Gmail. Knowing how to unblock contacts in Gmail can be quite handy, especially when you want to reconnect with someone and ensure you don't miss their emails. We've all been there sometimes. We block a contact accidentally or perhaps temporarily, and later, we want to reverse that action. The good news is that unblocking someone in Gmail is pretty straightforward. Let's go through the steps together. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail inbox. This is where all your emails are displayed. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and look for the small gear icon. This is your gateway to the Gmail settings. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select See All Settings to access more detailed options. Once you're in the Settings menu, tailored to your Gmail preferences, you'll see several tabs running across the top. Each of these sections offers different customization options. Look for the tab that says Filters and Block Addresses. We're almost there. Click on it, and this will take you to a section that shows a list of all the email addresses you've blocked. You might be surprised to see how many addresses have accumulated there over time, as Gmail is often our main point of contact. Go through the list and find the email address of the person you wish to unblock. You'll see a link next to each address that says Unblock. Click this link and Gmail will ask you to confirm that you intend to unblock the email address. This is just an extra step to prevent accidental unblocks, so go ahead and confirm. The email address is now unblocked, and you'll be able to receive emails from this contact again, returning them to your inbox as usual. It's important to note that unblocking an email address doesn't reinstate any previously received emails that you had blocked. It simply allows new emails to come through. If you've followed along, you should now have successfully unblocked the email address in question. Remember, this change can be beneficial if you're expecting crucial information from someone or simply reviving communication. While blocking is a helpful feature to keep spam or unwanted messages at bay, staying in control over who can and can't send to your inbox is just as important. Thank you for joining me today on this quick guide. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't hesitate to drop by for more helpful tech tips. Happy emailing!